Hello friends, in this video we will see what is translational repeat option available in Staad Pro and how we can use it to model our structure. Translational repeat is one of the most extensively used command in Staad Pro. Therefore, we will have a look into it. To explain the translational repeat, we will draw a frame. Let me show which structure we want to draw. Okay, I'll draw a frame structure here. I will draw a plan and the elevation of the frame structure. First, I will draw a plan. Let me draw the plan. This is the length. Okay, always this is X, this is Z, and this will be my Y axis. This is my plan, which means that this is the XZ view. Okay, I'm drawing a plan. Please exclude these extra lines. Okay, now let me draw this line here and another line here, and also a line here, a line here. Okay, so suppose that these all are rooms. This is suppose 3 meters, this is suppose 5 meters, and this is also 3 meters. Again here I'll suppose that this is 2 meter, this is 5 meters, this is 3 meters. Okay, you can suppose anything. This is the plan, and if I see from this view, I'll see the elevation. Let me draw the elevation as well. If I see from here, I'll see 1, 2, 3 bays. Okay, just like it. This is my ground. This is the first bay of 3 meters. This is the second bay of 5 meters, and this is the third bay of 3 meters. This is this one. Okay, 3 meters, 5 meters, and 3 meters. I'll draw one story, I'll draw second story, I'll draw third story, and all these stories will be of 3, 3, 3, and 3 meters each. Okay, just an example. You can take anything you like. Don't expect everything from the teacher. Always give your best from your side. Even after giving your best, you do not understand anything, only that approach the teacher. In this way, you will have that habit of getting things or doing things by yourself. You will not be relying on somebody. He is a teacher, but he is somebody, right? He is not you. You don't have to rely on somebody for doing your works. My suggestion is that always do your best. You got Google. You got Google in your hand through your mobile. You got Google in laptop. You can access the entire world using Google, and from the Google you can do a lot of things. And you can see various good examples that are available there. All you have to do is just type the relevant keyword there, and the results will be displayed within a fraction of a second. Always do that. Always give your best from your side. Even after doing that, you do not understand any topic. After that, you can approach the teacher, and the teacher must be always ready to answer your question, which I am always ready for. Okay, now let us use translation repeat option in order to draw this frame. We will mark the origin as this node. After that, we will draw this node, and this node. So let us go to Staad Pro. The coordinates of this node is 0. The coordinate of this node is 3 in X. This node is 8 in X, and this node is 11 in X. So we will just use the coordinates this time. So first coordinate is 0, hit 0 and hit enter. After that, it's 3 meters, hit 3 and hit enter. After that, it's 8 meters, hit 8 and hit enter. Okay, save it and hit enter. After that, it's 11, hit 11, and after that, hit enter. Now suppose that you want to draw a beam from here to here. Just click on add beam and left click here, left click here and here, here and here. Okay, now you have drawn the beam. Now what you want to do, you have drawn this grid. Now you want to draw this grid. The spacing of this grid to this grid is 2 meter, remember that. And the spacing of this grid to this grid is 5 meter, and this grid to this grid is 3 meters. What do we do now? We just select everything available here. You know how to select everything. Okay, I don't have to tell you that. Alright, so after that, go to translation repeat option that is available here. You can also go from geometry and translational repeat option available here as well. Click on it. Now I want to copy these things in the Z direction. This direction is the Z direction. What do? I select the direction as the Z direction. Now number of steps, how many number of steps I got? I got one step. This is one step. Okay, this is one step, this is another step, and this is the another step. We got 1 2 3 steps. I select number of steps as 3. Default spacing is 5 meters, but we will edit it here. First spacing is 2, second spacing is 5, and third spacing is 3 meters. 3. After that, one important thing is click on link steps. By doing that, it will copy all these nodes in these steps, and after that it will connect those nodes as well with the frame members or the beam members, and click on OK. You can see that you got all the required grids of the floor. Now we have drawn everything in X and Z direction. Now let us move in the Y direction. For that, what we will do, we'll select this floor, select everything again. After that, go to translational repeat from here. Now we want to copy it in the global Y direction. Number of steps we got, how many? We got one step. So the current floor is this floor. Okay, the current floor that we have selected is this floor, that is here, and number of steps is 1 2 3 and 4, and the default spacing is 3 meters in this case. Okay, we don't have different spacing here. After copying all these 4 floors, what we would like to do is that we would like to clear this floor as well, assuming that we don't have anything at the base. These frames, these columns are just on the ground, and there is nothing on the ground floor, no connecting beams. For that, go to Staad Pro again, and number of steps, we got 4 number of steps, and default step spacing is 3 meters, and click on link steps. This is very important, and after that click on OK. You can see that you got your frame in the Y direction as well. Now I want to delete these lower beams. For that, just hit delete, as I have already selected the beams. Click on OK. They will be deleted and you got a frame. This is how the translational repeat is helpful. Unlike the copy option that will just copy the nodes, this will copy the nodes and also link those nodes with the frame members or the beam members.